Previously on Experience Wildlife Travel Vlog.
Hey y'all, I'm here at the Grand Teton National Park over at Jackson Lake Lodge. I am leading a photo tour for the North American Nature Photographers Association. Today is our first outing. We already had an incredible sighting of a bull moose crossing in front of Schwabarker's Landing over at the Snake River. Just absolutely breathtaking moment, something that will go down in history as one of my very favorite moments of photographing in that area. Can't wait to see what else we see during this 3-day tour. So I'll keep you updated.
This is Experience Wildlife. I've spent my entire life traveling around the world to the most exotic places on Earth, looking for wildlife to photograph and places to discover. Join me as I travel around the world and in my own backyard, supporting conservation efforts to save our world's most endangered creatures, and tell the stories of the wildlife that cannot speak for themselves. I'm Jennifer Leigh Warner, and I am Experience Wildlife. After a week in Grand Teton National Park, co-leading a regional event for the North American Nature Photographers Association, I was ready to head to Yellowstone in search of wolves. But first, a little night photography at the Old Faithful Lodge. Yellowstone. I've been here many times. I've never seen wolves. That was my number one goal, and I found them. Yep, it was a pack of, it looked like 4 or 5 wolves, and they were howling, they were standing up, they were at a very safe long distance, but it was amazing. Oh my gosh, I hope I see them again. On the last day, I climbed a hill and sat with a group of photographers, and we waited, and we waited, and we waited, and then finally out of the darkness, the wolves descended. 7 wolves of different color communicating with one another. Every sound and every look had a specific meaning, working together because although they may look different, they're family. Good morning. So it's my last day here in Yellowstone. I specifically was looking for wolves. I hyper-focused on it, and I got 14 different wolves. It's the first time I've ever seen wolves, so I was really excited. Most of them were in the Wapiti pack, and probably the same wolves over and over again. But 7 this morning. It was amazing. We just sat and waited, and the 7 just kind of came out of the woods, hung out, ran around, and then ran up over a ridge. So it's just a real magical morning, and
great way to say goodbye to Yellowstone. I absolutely love it here. I'm headed through the Teton Range before I head back home to Austin. So hopefully I'll see some more fun stuff before I actually head out of Wyoming. But definitely an amazing trip. Out of town. That was a wrap. I had a fabulous 2 weeks here in Wyoming, one in Jackson and Grand Teton, and the other one in Yellowstone. So seeing everything from grizzly bears to wolves, moose, bison, everything you can imagine. It was just a fantastic time. So can't wait to do it again. And now the long 3-day trip home. Here I go. Wish me luck.